Syukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela uba AL-Hek ulalit banyak Donbynta hak sengi rakhe pendek pensa ya Mariang hagi artli ki Jaka ha ka ba ulias nok ti lang ban Thung ki tenrai Dieng kum kedak kejing rakhe. Uba hek ulias Donbynta ningkong ha umtro hari Bhoi district ha kejing rakhe ka bala penlong dekat life lani lifestyle for environment haringkat ki samla puli ke St. Joseph Nursing Academy nong hikai haka jingidan lang urang ba snong kasnong umtro bat ki officer na katanat fisheries bat kiwai haka jingi kren uba hek ula khot bat where iki nong snong ka jilla ban sedang shwa ka jing snotho narade kumno ban sumari ki saudong saukun bat kumno ban penne pensa ya kamai mariang haka wai bat ka jing rakhe uba hek udalaj ban Donbynta ha ka jing Thung Dieng ka bala penlong de ka khli umlang biodiversity park sobar ka bahap ha sobar sardarship hagini ka jing rakhe ha sobar le don lang menteri sarkar uba Paul Lingdo naloru MLA ka Shela uba Balajit Sinrem CEM ke KHADC uba Tito Starwell Khan bat ki wai ki officer ka sarkar jilla hagini ka sngi uba Paul ula pelipat baru ya ka khli umlang biodiversity park ha sobar bat boat sa ka jing Thung ikitan riding.
Everyone present here today to follow me on this pledge today. We take this self-responsibility. I pledge to make any possible changes in my daily lifestyle to protect the environment. I commit to continuously remind my friends, family, and others about the importance the environmentally friendly habits. I pledge to serve as an example environment friendly lifestyle and positively impact people and our planet. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
And also we have the farmer Ram Ashnam, the Bamolong Regala Bani. Then we have also our Superintendent of Fisheries, Ikong Meda, which has given a very inspirational speech. And Takidonro Ikong Rani, the principal of our college, the St. Joseph Nursing College. Also we have our Sengsama, Sengkete, Glokme, particularly our young student from St. Joseph Nursing Academy. And also we have our friend from MSSO, Member Security Service Organizations. I told them also to take part in this environment day to celebrate together how we can protect our motherland. So we thank you to each one of you who are present here today. The important is the self-awareness. How we create our self-awareness. You know, in this recently, it was my birthday, the 2nd of May. We all are friends of the 25 dedications. We went to Bhutan. You don't believe when we went to Bhutan, I took one tree from Meghalaya to plant one tree on my birthday at Bhutan. So that is called the self-awareness. Any one of you, your birthday, your parents' anniversary, or any anniversary, you can plant one tree to protect the motherlands. Kumno paniada yung kamay ng mga kunyungi. Ito kami kaniga self-awareness.
So we are gathered here to celebrate World Environment Day 2023. But I don't feel much joy in saying celebration because we all have to make our Mother Earth suffer, isn't it? We have littered, we have exploited, we have choked her. So anyways, this day is just a reminder to instill in us that we still can do something to improve our Mother Earth, isn't it? We still can, and let's do it. So this day, is for that purpose. We are here to take action, to contribute towards a better future. So in our midst, we are very honored to have Sir A.L. Hegg, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion as a chief guest. I am really moved. Just last month, on 20th, I had the privilege of coming here along with sir, and we did some plantation in and around the campus. And sir said, Martin Dog, we should do something. This kind of, we need to spread this awareness. It should not be only among us. We should spread this message. Instead, it gets broken into small particles, which we now know as microplastics. These microplastics, they find their way into the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink. Studies shows that microplastics have been found in our major organs, lungs, spleen, kidney and liver. It is causing serious health issues. So how do we tackle this menace? The solution is problem today money, solution today money. Isn't it? So how do we tackle? I say we should tackle by adopting simple approach. Not mutasi, in fact, we have been doing more. We have reduced the use of plastics here. See, there is a plastic water bottle. That has become a lifestyle. Mineral water, packaged mineral water. What if I say, you can carry the water bottles on the job? If you could carry our water bottles, we wouldn't have the urge to buy packaged mineral water. In that way, we are minimizing plastic. Isn't it? And for dali shopping, dali if you carry a cloth bag, how much we are contributing in a positive way, and we need not bring the plastic soap. Or plastics you have plastics, you take them, reuse them. You can still reuse the plastic instead of buying another plastic from the market. Simple approach. Then second, you can tell me any other simple approach how to beat plastic pollution? Nursing students, can you tell me? One is, I said, we'll carry water bottles. We'll use cloth bag. And third is, what could be the third? Reuse again plastics. We reuse. And then we'll try. So now you can see that in the market there are many food items which are wrapped in plastic. True, chips. Plastic wire for that matter, no. Plastic. I have a professor in St. Edmund's College.
Bijoy has actually stated that there has been a lot of microplastics that has gone into the systems, the daily environmental systems that is existing in our life. And a very important system is the waterways and the water system. I am saddened to see as the water recedes in Umyang Reservoir, you are seeing now the percolating sedimentation of a lot of plastic waste that is coming. Now, what has happened with microplastics is it has gone into the systems of even our fishes which we consume. As we know, India contributes to, it's the second largest in aquaculture production. And now if we keep consuming these microplastics that are coming from our waterways and our systems, it means that we have significantly a lot of microplastics within our bodies. The Umtrao conservation has started by the Rambashnam and also the Sengsamna of Umtrao, and what we have done is we have worked tirelessly to make sure that these streams and rivers, through the conservation of life, which is fish, you can understand that there's a lot of pollution that cannot happen into that stream. So what we believe is when we start conserving the life in streams, we start understanding that if there is no life in water, that means that water in itself cannot be consumed by a human being. So if streams are choked with plastic bags and with these microplastics into the systems, you can imagine the kind of pollution that comes into our bodies, into our homes. We are, as you know, you are all students of science. How much percentage of water is there in our own body? how much percentage of water do we have in our body? How much? 75. And think, if 75 is made out of water and we are choking that water with plastic, how much more are we choking our lives and our systems with those microplastics? So I take this opportunity to thank Barbie Joy, and I was ready to bring the team because I was so passionate to hear that we would come together. This platform right here, if you see in the panelists here standing right here, I was just sitting and thinking, what do I talk about? And then it came to me that you have a member representing the community who is ready to act. You have a member who talks about, who is concerned with human health, okay? You have somebody who is concerned with the environmental health, and you have somebody who talks about the river and the water.